In the peaceful, friendly forest lived a young bear named Benny. Benny was no ordinary bear. He loved to bake more than anything else. While other bears climbed trees or fished in streams, Benny spent his days mixing dough, measuring honey, and dreaming of becoming the best baker in the forest. His favorite treat to make was honey cake. He used the sweetest honey from the bees, the juiciest berries from the bushes, and crunchy nuts from the tallest trees. But Benny had one problem. He wanted every cake to be perfect. If his cake leaned a little, he'd throw it out. If the top cracked or the color wasn't golden enough, he'd sigh and start again. His kitchen was often a mess of broken cakes and spilled flour. One day, news spread through the forest. There would be a forest food fair where every animal could bring their best dish. There would be music, dancing, and tasting. Benny's eyes lit up. This is my chance to show everyone the perfect honey cake. He worked for days, trying to make a flawless one. But no matter how hard he tried, something always went wrong. One cake was too puffy. Another was too sweet. One came out with a lopsided top, Benny groaned. None of these are perfect. I can't show up with this mess. Just then, his tiny friend Milo the mouse peeked in. Benny, that one looks and smells amazing. But it's crooked, Benny frowned. I wanted the best honey cake in the forest. Milo climbed up on a spoon. Benny, life isn't about being perfect. It's about doing your best and enjoying it. You put love in that cake, Ian. That's what people will taste. Benny looked at the cake. It leaned to one side, but the top was golden and the smell made his nose twitch. He took a deep breath. Okay, I'll bring it. The next day, the forest food fair was alive with excitement. Squirrels carried nut pies, rabbits brought carrot cookies, and hedgehogs served mushroom muffins. Benny placed his honey cake on a wooden table, paws shaking. Soon, animals gathered around. A raccoon took a bite and smiled. Delicious! A fox licked her lips. So soft and sweet. Even the grumpy badger said, Reminds me of my grandma's cooking. Benny blinked. Really? But it's not perfect. The badger chuckled. Perfect doesn't mean smooth edges. It means food that makes you happy. Benny smiled wide. His cake had made the forest happy. That mattered more than perfect frosting or a straight top. From then on, Benny still baked honey cakes. Some were round, some a little funny shaped, but they were always made with care. And everyone agreed, Benny was the best baker in the friendly forest. Not because his cakes were perfect, but because they were full of joy. Benny learned that life isn't about perfection. It's about doing your best and sharing what you love. And that was the end of the story. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Bye-bye.